Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Chime to bank accounts. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Transferring money from Chime to another bank account is straightforward. Here's how you can do it. Link your external bank account. Open the Chime app or website and log into your account. Navigate to the Move Money section and select Transfer Money. Choose Link a bank account and follow the prompts to enter your external bank account details like account number and routing number. Initiate the transfer. Once your external bank account is linked, go back to the Move Money section, select Transfer Money, choose your linked bank account from the drop-down menu, and enter the amount you want to transfer. Review the transfer details and confirm the transaction. Wait for the transfer to complete. The transfer may take 1 to 3 business days to complete, depending on the processing times of both Chime and the external bank. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.